Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over and check. We have a check engine code on our 2019 Kia Forte, and we're going to see what that engine code is. So we have an OBD2 scanner hooked up to the OBD2 port. We're going to hit enter. We're going to hit the diagnostic, and this is just a basic scanner. We'll only do ECU basically, but we're going to hit yes there. Says that our check engine light is on. We know that. And then we're going to read the codes and the stored codes. But we have the P0102, P0102, which is the mass airflow volume error is low. So something's going on with our mass airflow sensor. And so we're going to go ahead and find where it's at and go over how you'd replace it. There could just be a leak, like the gasket's not sealed around your air cleaner. And what happens when your mass airflow goes bad is it's going to make your car idle funny, maybe rougher to start, and also you're going to use more fuel. So you do want to fix it because it talks with the ECU and all those things. So let's go ahead and take a look where it's at and how to fix it. So out here is your air cleaner, and the mass airflow sensor is this whole unit right here. It's all encompassing here. It's not just a little thing. You buy this whole piece of plastic here. So easy ways to get to it. Just go ahead and take this air cleaner box off, or the top cover of your air cleaner. You're going to want to push this clip down and to pull that electrical connector undone. And then we want to loosen this number 10 right here, which is for this clamp that's holding the intake hose on. And then we can pull the air box up and twist that free from the hose itself. And then we're going to want to loosen and remove these bolts here. There's one on both sides. So with those bolts removed, then you can just pull the mass airflow sensor out. And we've got the mass airflow sensor unit out. Sometimes you can spray clean those. It's a 50-50 chance on whether it works, or you just buy a new mass airflow sensor. One thing to note, there is a rubber gasket seal here. So whether that it comes with a new one or not, you want to make sure that you've got one and that it comes out of the seal here. So when you got your new one, just make sure it either had the gasket on there or you've put the old one off if it's not damaged. And then just kind of rotate it in there. You want to do your best not to pinch our rubber gasket there. Then just put our number 10 bolts in there, tighten them up. Not crazy tight, I mean it's just going into plastic with a metal sleeve for the things. Then you can go ahead and put this back onto the intake pipe. It all lines up. We've got a little tab here, groove, that lines it in there. And the air cleaner cap has some little tabs on the bottom of the air cleaner to go in there into the box. And you can lock this all on. Sure you make this electric connector back up, and then tighten your clamp here to get a good seal. Otherwise you can have blowback, air blowback, and you'll still have other issues going on that you don't want. Alright, it's getting snug. So that's how you replace it. Now we'll go ahead and delete the code and make sure that it doesn't come on. Okay, so back in the car with the key on in the accessory position or all the way on but the car not started, then we can go in with our scanner, escape to back up on this one, go to erase codes, enter, we say yes, then it says we're done. Now number one, once you've done that, you're also going to want to start your car more than just once because the code's going to stay off, but you'll start the car a few times or more, cycle it, and make sure that that code doesn't come on and the idle is back to a normal idle. We're at a 1.5. Yeah, we're at 1.5 right now, but it'll drop down once the car gets warm. But just do that a few times and see that the light doesn't come on, and then you should be good. And just go ahead and go about your daily routine, and if the light comes back on, then you just check it again and see if it's the same one. Then maybe there's another issue that needs to be fixed, like a leaky hose or the clamp isn't, you got a hole in the box or something. But that's how you replace your mass airflow sensor on your 2019 Kia Forte. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.